Hi, I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Brent.
And we are the cocktail evangelists behind Make and Muddle. Thanks for joining us on our YouTube channel for our video series on how to cocktail.
Today we are starting with one of the fundamentals of cocktailing, and that is simple syrup.
It is so easy, it literally has two ingredients, sugar and water. The brown sugar is my favorite for simple syrups because it adds a lovely flavor of molasses in there. So you're gonna bring the water to a boil. We are doing a basic ratio of 1:1. For this one, we are doing 2 cups of sugar to 2 cups of water. And let it cool to room temperature before transferring it to a container that you can store in the fridge for up to a month.
And that's it. That's all there is to it.
Thanks for checking out Make and Muddle on our YouTube channel. Be sure to click subscribe below so that you never miss an episode. And also check us out on Instagram and Facebook.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers, y'all.